咧澳洲做牧羊犬的训练，自来拢是男性咧主导。不过即马拍破传统，有愈来愈侪女性来参与。因讲伫咧训练学校内底，会当甲其他的人哪竞争，阁会当互相扶持，而且透过训练，毋但培养专业的能力，也阁会当扩展家己的人面。
牧羊狗训练师画一个口令，狗是照着指示，甲羊赶到指定的所在。这只赶羊的牧羊狗有一个正古锥的名叫做 Mini， 而且伊的训练师也是一位女性。这几年有愈来愈侪少年的女性，甲多课共款参加牧羊狗饲训员的训练课程，改变以前由男性主导这项活动的传统。
A really good community of women who are trialling, and they're all like we get quite competitive at times, but just a really supportive community.
I think it will stay and continue to grow with more women coming in. Like with our training schools, a lot of the people that come are women and girls my age, which I also find really fun.
像这边一个澳洲南部一个小镇巴梅拉举行5天的牧羊狗选拔赛，就来自全国各地观众来看。今年有12位女性报名参加，比去年增加5位。有参与这项活动的女性也当参加训练。
Years ago, when I was at school doing it, there was only a couple of older women who were wives of other trialers, whereas now I think there's more independent women doing it.
Probably half the people in our training schools now, at least, are women, and that comes across out here on the trialling ground as well, and in agriculture.
主办单位讲，女性对训练牧羊狗更加有耐心，所以欢迎因来参加。全国牧羊狗咨询协会也制定一项奖学金计划，帮助加鼓励少年的牧羊狗咨询者继续参加全国各地比赛。经过训练，不但是增加因的专业技术，也当让因的人面更加快。公司新闻张伟林编写。